Dolphins are some of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean, known for their playful behavior, intelligence, and social nature. They've captured the hearts of humans for centuries, but there's so much more to these marine mammals than meets the eye. From their incredible communication skills to their mind-blowing abilities, dolphins continue to amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Here are some truly interesting facts about dolphins that will make you appreciate these ocean wonders even more. Dolphins have their own names. Dolphins are much more socially advanced than most people realize, and one of the ways they communicate is through unique whistles that serve as their names. Each dolphin has its own distinct whistle sound, which is used to identify and call out to that individual. These whistles are not random noises, but are actually learned and specific to the dolphin, much like a human name. What's even more fascinating is that dolphins can call each other by their name to get their attention or to communicate something important, whether it's a signal for feeding, a warning of a predator, or simply a playful call. This advanced communication system shows just how complex dolphin social structures really are, and it highlights their incredible cognitive abilities. Imagine if humans could only use one special sound to communicate with each other. Dolphins have evolved this ability in an impressive and unique way. 2. They can swim up to 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour. Dolphins are well known for their speed and agility in the water, and for good reason. They are capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, around 37 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, that's faster than many boats can go. Dolphins achieve such speed thanks to their streamlined bodies and powerful tails. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies are built for swift movement, reducing drag as they cut through the water. The muscles in their tails are so strong that they propel them with tremendous force. This speed is not only useful for escaping predators, but it also helps dolphins catch fast-moving prey like fish and squid. Additionally, their incredible speed is often showcased when they surf the waves of boats or leap joyfully out of the water. Dolphins' remarkable swimming abilities demonstrate their adaptation to life in the ocean and their natural athleticism. Wait, you reached this far in the video and still haven't subscribed or liked the video? Please hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video from us, and like this video so more people will learn about dolphins. Let's continue with the now. 3. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Dolphins don't sleep like humans do. Instead, they practice something called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, meaning that one hemisphere of their brain sleeps at a time while the other remains active. This allows them to maintain control over essential functions like breathing and swimming, as well as stay alert to potential threats in their environment. Even while half of their brain is asleep, dolphins continue to interact with their surroundings. For instance, while one eye is closed during sleep, the other stays open and can observe what's going on around them. This fascinating ability is vital for their survival, as it helps them avoid predators and maintain social connections with other dolphins in their pods. It's an extraordinary adaptation that enables them to be both rested and vigilant at the same time. 4. They can recognize themselves in a mirror. Dolphins are among the few animals that can pass the mirror test, a famous experiment used to determine self-awareness. In this test, a mark is placed on an animal's body where it can't see it naturally. If the animal can recognize the mark in a mirror and attempt to remove or touch it, it demonstrates self-awareness, meaning the animal understands that the reflection is itself, not another creature. Dolphins are one of the few non-human animals to pass this test, showing a remarkable level of cognitive sophistication. This ability suggests that dolphins have a sense of self and a level of consciousness that goes beyond simple instinctual behavior. This self-awareness is rare in the animal kingdom, and its presence in dolphins highlights just how advanced these mammals are in terms of intelligence and social behavior. 5. Dolphins can use tools. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent, and they have been observed using tools in the wild, a behavior that was once thought to be unique to humans and a few other species. One of the most well-known examples is the use of sea sponges by certain populations of bottlenose dolphins. These dolphins place the sponges over their snouts to protect them while foraging for food on the seafloor. This behavior is passed down through generations, with younger dolphins learning the technique from their mothers. This form of tool use demonstrates dolphins' ability to problem solve and adapt to their environment. It also highlights their remarkable capacity for learning and innovation, as the dolphins know that a simple sponge can be an effective shield against rough surfaces or sharp objects like coral. 6. They are highly social and live in pods. Dolphins are some of the most social creatures in the animal kingdom. They live in groups called pods, which can range in size from a few individuals to more than 100, depending on the species and environment. These pods are tightly knit communities where dolphins engage in various social behaviors, such as playing, grooming, hunting, and communicating. The bonds formed within a pod are incredibly strong, and dolphins often form lifelong friendships with certain individuals. They rely on each other for protection, finding food, and even raising their young. Dolphins are also known to help members of other pods or species. For example, when a dolphin is injured or sick, other dolphins will often stay by its side, offering protection and companionship. This level of empathy and cooperation is rare in the animal kingdom, making dolphins not only incredibly social, but also incredibly caring animals. 7. Dolphins can speak with more than just sounds. While dolphins are famous for their wide range of vocalizations, they don't rely solely on sounds to communicate. In fact, they use a complex combination of clicks, whistles, body movements, and even facial expressions to communicate with each other. Their whistles, for example, are used to identify individuals and express emotions, while clicks are often used for echolocation, helping them to see their surroundings by emitting sound waves. Body language also plays an important role in dolphin communication. Dolphins will often rub against each other, slap the water with their tails, or leap out of the water as forms of social interaction. These varied methods of communication allow dolphins to convey messages, express emotions, and maintain relationships in ways that are highly sophisticated and nuanced. 8. They have a complex diet and hunting techniques. Dolphins are skilled hunters that rely on both individual and group strategies to catch their prey. Some species of dolphins, like the orca, killer whale, are apex predators and hunt large marine animals, such as seals and even other whales. Other species of dolphins prefer smaller fish and squid. In both cases, dolphins use sophisticated hunting techniques that involve teamwork and coordination. One of the most famous hunting techniques is fish herding, where a group of dolphins will work together to corral a school of fish into a tight circle, making it easier for each individual to catch their share. Some dolphins even use bubbles to trap fish. By creating a ring of bubbles, they can trap their prey inside and make them easier to capture. This teamwork shows just how intelligent and cooperative dolphins are when it comes to feeding. That's it for today's deep dive into the world of dolphins. From their incredible intelligence to their playful personalities, these marine mammals never cease to amaze. We've only scratched the surface, but hopefully, you now have a new appreciation for these ocean wonders. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite dolphin fact, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more amazing wildlife content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep swimming with curiosity.